This is CougarBlueSXR800 coming to play Battle of Warships. It looks like we have a pretty interesting matchup this time. We have two aircraft carriers against two aircraft carriers. And they have a Yamato. Awesome. These were some of my favorites. It's always hard when you play against fellow aircraft carriers because you can't gain that advantage and you can't stop. You got to keep moving all the time. Let's see. The first thing I want to do is identify where that Yamato is so that I can make sure to stay away from him. Usually if I was, which one was he again? H8R. Wow, for some reason I cannot. There he is, right there on this side. Usually I try to take him out first, but since we have two aircraft carriers, you know what? I am not 100% sure on what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to take him out first, because if not, he is going to absolutely destroy my two battleships and these other two ships as well. So I think we'll take care of him, and then we'll look at taking care of the aircraft carriers. So once we get up to 10 ships, I think we can start our attack on him. Alright, here we go. Oh, and he quit. What a bummer. Well, that has changed everything. So it should be much easier to beat these guys up now that they... Let's take a look at this aircraft carrier and see what he's doing. Looks like he's going to be coming in to take a defensive position or behind those islands, which is a very bad idea, because I am going to light him up as soon as he does that. Oh, he totally just stopped. Yes. Put a couple bombs right there on him and see what we can do. See if we can end him quick. Looks like he's going in reverse, so I gotta hit him quick. Put some behind him as well. Come on. Not there, not far enough. Come on. Those middle two looks like they're gonna get him, be the only ones that are gonna hit him on this. 1, 2. Oh, come on, we need him to rotate just slightly to be able to get him again. Nope, it looks like he's stopping and he's reversing and he's going to go forward. Let's see if I can... There we go, that'll be alright. He probably won't move again. Alright, did the other aircraft carrier quit? Man. And they had the drop on us, but as soon as that... Yamato dropped out, well, they no longer had the advantage. So, alright, let's take a look and see what this other guy's doing. This Texas. See if we can help out these battleships a little bit. Give them some extra firepower. And I am actually going to go right out after them. I'm going to also go after this guy right here. Oh, and we got the Texas. That's beautiful. And let's see, are we going to get him? I think we are. I think we're going to take him out, guys. Fantastic. Here, going for kill number 2. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take a look and see what's happening up here. It looks like he is going to run into the corner. So, as he does, we're going to put shots right on this corner, because he should be stuck here if he's not paying attention. Oh, and it looks like he's turning away. So he's not going to get stuck in the corner. That's a bummer. Absolute bummer, but that's alright. We can go out and get him after this. Alright, it looks like the aircraft carrier's taking some shots at me. Oh, and he missed wide. Bad timing, my friend, bad timing. And well, since he's taking shots at me, I'm going to use my speed up a little bit to make it even harder to hit me. That way his timing is even worse. Let's look out here and see what's going on, see how our torpedoes are going. It looks like we're on target with... Nope, we have missed every single one. Oh, maybe we're going to get one. Oh, so close, so close. And he pulled up in time to be able to kill those. This guy looks like he's going in straight lines all over the place, just like I am at the moment. So, let's see what we can do. See if we can get him with 6 torpedoes. There we go, 6 torpedoes. Let's see what happens. Just don't turn, my friend, just don't turn. As long as you don't turn, I think that I got you. Oh, he's turning, he's turning. No good. No good, my friend. Torpedoes need to get in the water soon. Nope, I missed him again. Jeez, this is going to be a bad one. Uh-oh. Ah, and he timed them incorrectly again. My friend, you're timing them all wrong. Let's see if I can get this guy. That should clean him up if I hit him. We'll see how it goes though. What level is that? Cougar level 24. I don't think he's going to hit me, but we'll see. He's been off the whole time. Let's take a look at these guys and see how we're doing. Oh, he's moved to the right. So we are going to miss him again. Never mind. I guess I hit him. Alright. Fantastic. We're on kill number 2. And here we are for Chumpin 46. It's off 3-on-1. And he's going to turn and come right at me. Let's see what he's going to do. Let's put some torpedoes in the water, make him change his mind, see if I can get him to come right at me. And he did. He saw him coming and he decided to come right at me. Alright, let's start zigzagging a little bit. That way he doesn't have the opportunity to hit me. There we go, he's dead. Ah, sweet statistics. Alright, so 32% accuracy on my dive bombers, 13% accuracy on my torpedoes. Total kills, I had 4. Total damage, 297,000. Let's go back and look at my stats. So again, this is CougarBlueSXR800 playing Battle of Warships. Let's see. My kill to death ratio 2.3, kills 770, deaths 338. My accuracy with my torpedoes 23%, dive bombers 35%. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you on the next video.